Hi friends, I am doing something new here. Would you like to see? Just look here carefully. Yes, you can see I am using my mobile phone for the drawings. Also I can do the colorings here, right? How I did it here? Using only finger. I am using my mobile screen for the coloring drawing purpose, right? I don't like this die. I want to rough it. So I am just clicking on the clear button. It will be erased. Now suppose I want to do another drawing, but I want plain background, which was red color here. So using finger I can color my screen like this. Just do it carefully. Now using another color I want to draw here something. For example, here I am going to draw Shri as a Ganpati Bappa. Yes, would you like to do this same? So let's start with me. For that we need some codings. So I did it coding part here. So I am going to show you one by one. For that we need to pull the paper down slowly. Before that we need to open this. Yes. So now here just scroll the button and you will see coding part will be coming outside. Yes. Now for this type of tab, that is we have used here this tab, right? So for this type we need to do the some coding part. Here are the blocks part. First we need to start for the canvas with different parts along with the colors patterns and the designer part. So like this we need to write down all the blocks, that is all coding part will be here, and after that we will see a beautiful designer tab is done like this. Here you can see also, if you want to clear you can just clear it. You can draw another pictures like this. For example, if you want to draw some leaf, you can color them also like this. Anything you want to draw here, you can draw this here. Here erase button is also there, so you can erase only one part or you can clear all the part. Thank you.